If you've been struggling to use AI because it just feels so techy and complicated, then you're going to love this channel and especially today's video. Have you ever had that experience where you just feel like you're missing meetings, you're late to them, you don't know what's going on, you're missing important family dates, and you're just not making progress on your goals? If you have felt any of those things, today's very simple AI tip is going to help you with all of that. Now, while there's lots of different AI tools you can use, the one we're going to focus on today is Google's AI tool that is called Gemini. And the reason why we're focusing on Gemini for this specific video is because some of the tasks that we're going to ask it to do will be accessing your Google Calendar. It'll be accessing a document in your Google Drive. And so having a Google account will allow you to do all of this seamlessly for free. So let me show you how this works. Here I'm inside my Google Drive, and what I have done is I've just gone to New, and I have created a new Google Doc. Now, I have called that Google Doc My 2026 Goals, and I've just created some fake things here, but I just needed to create a document with some goals in order to help with this prompt. So that's the first thing that I've done just to kind of set this up. What's beautiful about this is I can update my goals document, and the prompt will pull from that and make adjustments based on the changes that I've made. So it's the same prompt every single time. So let me go ahead and show you the prompt. Again, this is Google Gemini, and I have put in a prompt, and I'll copy this down in the description below so that you can literally copy and paste this. So the prompt says, act as my AI clone and help me prepare for the day. Generate a morning prep report that helps me start the day focused and calm. Include the following items on the report. 1, the focus for the day. So summarize the key theme or intentions based on my current goals. There is a Google Doc called My 2026 Goals. I just showed you that, where you can find that information. So that's where it's going to pull that information. Number 2, the top 3 priorities. Pull from today's active goals and tasks. What matters most today? Number 3, key calendar events. Pull from my calendar and notify me of the event, time, and participants. 1 line for each. Now, for this one, the key calendar events, the first time you do this, it's going to ask you to confirm to give it access to your Google account. This is why ChatGPT can't do it. It can't access Google Assets, but since Google Gemini is the AI that's used for Google accounts, you can have it pull data from your Google account. Pretty cool. And the first time you do it, it's just going to ask you to confirm to give it access to that. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4, notify me of any birthdays or family moments that I shouldn't miss. Awesome. And number 5, encouragement or quote. Provide a short motivational or reflective line that matches the theme for the day. Keep it under 200 words in my natural tone, direct, warm, and grounded. At the end, suggest 1 proactive step to simplify or delegate today, and then label it Morning Prep Digest for the date. So you literally can copy this, put it in your AI prompts library, and within seconds, you're going to have something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. It's going to think for a couple of moments. It's going to go access those documents, right? So there you see it's accessing the workspace data. It's looking at calendar. It's looking at the Google Doc. It's going to take a second or 2 to do its thinking. And then once that's done, I'm going to have a very handy morning prep. So here we go. Morning prep digest for Wednesday, November 19th. So the focus for the day, strategic growth and discipline. Today is about aligning action with your long-term vision, building the business, strengthening your foundation. So my top 3 priorities: prepping for a meeting tomorrow, getting the AI course structure. That was one of the goals that I said I wanted right here. And then marathon plan. I don't run. But just for this example, I said I wanted to run a marathon, and it's asking me to start defining what training I need to do daily to be able to do that. Okay, key calendar events, free of formal meetings today, allowing for deep focused work. I do have one for tomorrow, so if I had done for tomorrow, it would have shown up. Birthdays, no specific birthdays were found in your schedule for today, so nothing I need to worry about there. And then the quote that I asked it for: give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I'll spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. So the proactive step, setting up a Claude project as noticed in your recent emails to organize all your blah, 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 blah. So what's awesome about this is think about all the time and effort that you're going to save just by having a simple prompt like this. You don't have to go check your calendar or figure out what are your top priorities for the day. Are there things that I'm missing? You can literally copy, paste this within a minute or two, and AI will do all the heavy lifting for you, and you can just stay focused on this one thing. So, isn't that awesome? This is AI for the average guy. That's what this channel will focus on, is short little tips like today that don't require tons of techie skills, tons of programming, that you can use everyday simple life, help you be more productive, and save you a ton of time. So hopefully that was helpful. Leave a comment down below. What's something else that we can cover, that we can show you how AI can help you be more productive, simplify your life, and make you more effective at what you do? Leave a comment down below. Subscribe, tune in for more, and we will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Take care. We'll see you soon.